today we're going to remove the thermostat from this 2016 Honda Civic 2.0 liter. Oh, nice little 2.0. That's what it says right here. And it's got IV Tech. Oh, nice. All right, so let's remove this thermostat. First thing we are going to do is give ourselves a little bit of room. So I'm going to remove this pigtail, move this over to the side. That is connected to our oxygen sensor there. Behind the oxygen sensor there is a little lever you can press, boom, and that will drop it there. Then we have 1, 2, 3 bolts holding it into place. All right, so there it is, 10mm socket. I am going to be using a 1/4 inch ratchet, because the smaller the better here. This bracket is on the way. Not really, that's the bolt for the bracket. All right, so this is the one for the thermostat right underneath it. There it is, and we will lose some coolant, so just have a catch pan underneath it to catch all that excessive coolant. And I am just breaking the bolts loose right now. There's one more we have to get to, and that is down over here. All right, 4. Apparently you can lose 10mm wrenches too. I see it, it's way down there. Oh boy, what a goober. I was gonna say it's pretty tight in the back, so you're gonna need a wrench, 10mm. Speed ratchet would be nicer. I am putting on a glove because this little bypass pipe here is pretty hot. So let me loosen this bolt if I can from the back. All right, so this is pretty tricky to get. I'm not gonna what the heck. Well, I am struggling with that last one, so what I am going to do is I'm going to remove the bolts from the top, and then we'll worry about that last one towards the end. We'll let all the coolant drop off, and we'll proceed on to the next bolt. I think I'm also going to be taking off this hose to see if maybe that will give me a little bit of room. Looks like a Honda's been taking some lessons from Dodge. All right, I have the 2 bolts off. Now I'm going to move the hose. Wow, I am clumsy today. All right, let's try this once again. I am having a ball today, I tell you. All right, and we'll disconnect this hose from here. And it is going to drop some coolant, so just make sure you have that available to be caught. Perfect. And now let's see if we get to that last bolt. All right, so this method is not working out for me. So I hate to do this, but I'm going to remove the air box from here. Probably have to remove this cowl to get to it. Let's start going. I'm going to use a trim tool removal to get these out. I just broke it not that long ago, so let's see if it can still work, even though it's handicapped. I'm gonna need both hands. All right, I removed all the retainer clips. This is now loose. There's 2 more retainer clips here that we have to remove. All right, and there it is. This section is loose. There's a 10mm there, and it looks like there is a 10mm down here. And I'm just using my impact with a couple of extensions just to drive those bolts out. All right, I'm gonna use a Phillips screwdriver to loosen up this hose clamp here. And I'm going to disconnect the mass airflow sensor from here. It is attached there. It has 2 little locking pins here on the side. You just press that in and slide it through, and then you do the same thing to this other side. All right, so I have this done, have this loose. Just take it off from the hose. We'll set that over. That should give us a lot more room. There's a little clamp here. Just have to lift up, I believe. Hopefully, yeah, it looks like we do have to lift, and it should come out of there. All right, I removed the filter, moved it over to the side, stuck my hand in, gave it a nice good grip and a nice good pull, and there she is. We'll set this over to the side, and there it is, nice and exposed. Holy crap. all the stuff we have to do to be able to get to it. We better be able to get to it. We are able to get to it. Cool. Now let's finally get this freaking bolt off. I'm probably gonna need both hands for that. And I could actually use the speed ratchet here to break it loose. And then, well, I'm gonna need both hands to use that. All right, finally got that bolt all the way out. No, I just dropped that goddamn bolt. What the hell? This whole video is me dropping shit. There it is. Here, let's drop this too. Fuck you. That's how you remove the thermostat. You had to remove the air intake box to get to it when the 3 bolts are just right there. Awesome, Honda. Taking tips from Dodge, I see. Anyways, that's how you remove the thermostat. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video of how to install the replacement.